Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to add some color to the backside of our MRR wheels on our 2019 2.0 Camaro by installing a set of MGP Caliper covers. Now these covers are a great way to add some color behind your wheels without having to go through the process of having your calipers painted or powder coated. MGP's design allows these covers to be installed in a matter of minutes using the supplied brackets to hold them in place. There are also a few different colors and designs. Here I have for you the yellow covers with the modern Camaro text. There is also red, gloss black, and a matte black available with other GM licensed logos. Installing these is not difficult, but it will require us to remove the wheels to give us access to the factory caliper and get the brackets installed. Starting with the front calipers, we are going to remove the wheels. This will give us easier access to the factory calipers. For the front covers, loosen the nuts on the MGP cover and install the cover over the factory caliper. Then push the bracket on the top side and the bottom side of the factory caliper. Tighten down the nuts to hold the cover in place. Check the clearance between the bracket and the rotor to prevent any unwanted noises. Then reinstall your wheels. The same process will be repeated on the other side. For the rear caliper covers, we are going to remove the retaining nuts from the brackets. Then line up the brackets with the factory caliper and slide them into place on both the top and bottom side. Now install the MGP cover over the brackets and reinstall the retaining nuts to hold the cover and tighten them in place. Repeat the same process on the other side to complete the installation. And there you have it, guys. The MGP caliper covers have added some color to the backside of our MRR wheels. Now our calipers will stand out more, giving us a large brake look instead of the small factory casted calipers. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.